I'm making Zesty Lemon Chicken from the 5-ingredient Diabetic Diet Cookbook for Beginners. You can get this on Amazon. It's linked below. For this recipe, you'll need 1 1/2 pound chicken breast sliced thin, 2 teaspoons olive oil, 4 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. The first thing I'm going to do is heat the 2 teaspoons olive oil over medium heat. While that heats, I'm going to add my seasoning to my chicken. 1 tablespoon on one side, or 1 teaspoon on one side. Do about half a teaspoon on one side of the Italian seasoning. Just going to rub it in a little bit and flip them over and do the same on the other side. 1 teaspoon garlic powder on the other side and a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning on the other side of each chicken breast piece. If they look a little uneven, kind of rub them together. This is a really easy recipe. I've actually already made it and the family really likes it, so I'm doing it again. Then we're just going to add our chicken into our olive oil and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. I'm ready to turn my chicken. The nutritional facts for this recipe are 258 calories, 35 grams of protein, 8 grams fat, 4 grams of carbohydrate, 0 grams fiber, and 212 milligrams of sodium. And that is per 4-ounce piece of chicken. Once your chicken is about ready, add your lemon juice in for your last minute of cooking. Fun fact, it's also going to deglaze your pan, so that's going to be great to clean up. I just kind of turn my chicken over in it rather than try to spoon the sauce over to make sure everything's covered. There's our Zesty Lemon Chicken. You can top this with some sliced lemon, some lemon wedges, a little bit of parsley. Let's give it a try. I already know that it's good because I've had it already. This is also a really easy meal prep item. You could make this ahead of time and have it ready for your lunches for the week. Both of my sons said that they would do that, and they are adults. And one is really, really picky about his chicken. So that was a roaring recommendation. Let's give it a taste. It's so good and so easy. There is no reason you shouldn't be trying this. Check it out for yourself. Love this one.